Alright, got the eFlite 1.2 meter Mustang coming out on an extremely wet field, extremely soft field too. High rates on everything. And here we go. Gears coming up. That was no flaps. And this is flying on a 4S 2200 Admiral battery. It gets it plenty of giddy up and go-go. And we all know if you got a Mustang, you have to have some giddy up to it. Mosquitoes. Trap pass right here in front of us. And I've also got the free wing P-51 1410 millimeter size Okro. That one flies okay too. But if you told me I could only have one between them, I guess I'd take this one. Don't get me wrong, the Okro is nice. It's got some fantastic landing lights that are super bright, and it has some really good compression struts on it. Sliding canopy, stuff like that, but as far as enjoyment in flying, this one right here does it for me. Come on up. Is this your maiden? Is this your maiden you're bringing up, Jim? Oh, okay. I thought you were bringing up your Cobra. Ah. Make a gear pass here. There they go. I'm going to set up for a landing, Jim.
Go ahead. Not a problem. Not a problem. Yeah, plenty of time there. Hope I grabbed a new battery, okay?
If you didn't, you'll know it here in a minute.
That's what I'm saying. No, I'm serious. I didn't check it, I know that. Hold on, I think it says you're clear holler.
I am clear.
Okay.
P-51 eFlite 1.2 meter. Come over this way.
Huh?
Yeah, I think you're in the rough. Yeah, you out now.
Thank you. Thank you for that.
Nice.
Just a rough.
Nice, nice, nice.